Hello, learn alphabets with 5 words. A. A is for apple. A is for aunt. A is for X. A is for alligator. A is for aeroplane. Very nice. B. B is for ball. B is for bat. B is for bag. B is for boat. And B is for bee. Great job. C. C is for cat. C is for car. C is for cup. C is for cow. C is for cake. Yummy. D. D is for dog. D is for doll. D is for drum. D is for duck. D is for door. Nice. E. E is for elephant. E is for egg. E is for ear. E is for eyes. E is for eagle. F. F is for fish. F is for fan. F is for frog. F is for fox. F is for flower. Beautiful. G. G is for goat. G is for grapes. G is for girl. G is for gift. G is for glass. H. H is for hat. H is for house. H is for heart. H is for horse. H is for hen. I. I is for ice. I is for ink. I is for igloo. I is for insect. I is for island. Great job. J. J is for jug. J is for jam. J is for jar. J is for jeep. J is for jacket. K. K is for kite. K is for king. K is for key. K is for kangaroo. K is for cattle. L. L is for lion. L is for leaf. L is for like. L is for lemon. L is for lamp. Very nice. M. M is for mango. M is for moon. M is for mouse. M is for mouth. M is for monkey. N. N is for nose. N is for nest. N is for net. N is for neck. N is for nail. O. O is for owl. O is for orange. O is for octopus. O is for oil. O is for ox. Great job, kids. P. P is for pen. P is for pig. P is for pot. P is for pen. P is for peacock. Q. Q is for queen. Q is for quiet. Q is for QL. Q is for question mark. Q is for quarter. R. R is for rat. R is for rain. R is for ring. R is for rope. R is for rabbit. Great job. S. S is for sun. S is for star. S is for ship. S is for shoes. S is for snake. Nice. T. T is for tree. T is for tiger. T is for top. T is for tub. T is for train. U. U is for umbrella. U is for uniform. U is for unicorn. U is for utensils. U is for up. V. V is for van. V is for violin. V is for vegetables. V is for vulture. V is for vase. Great job. W. W is for watch. W is for well. W is for water. W is for wall. W is for whale. Great. X. X is for xylophone. X is for Christmas tree. X is for X-ray. Y. Y is for yak. Y is for yo-yo. Y is for yoga. Y is for yawn. Y is for yolk. Great. Z. Z is for zebra. Z is for zoo. Z is for zip. Z is for zero. Z is for zigzag. Great job, kids! You are doing great. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel for more updates.